From the day one session, we have started about introduction to CCNA and Cisco certification tracks. The network fundamentals we have started. In network fundamentals, what is network, networking, internetworking, and types of networks, and roles and responsibility of network engineer, the basic roles and responsibilities, and basic requirements to form a network in that. So we clearly discussed about an IC and its importance and its functions and the types, NIC types, the MAC address also, and later on media. So media and media types and twisted pair cable, straight cable, cross cables, RJ45 categories. So we clearly discussed about media also and networking devices. So networking devices and its functions, like basic function of switch, like why switch is required and where we use switch. So switch is a hardware device which centralize communication connectivity by using wide devices. And wireless access point is also a hardware device which centralizes the communication by using wired and wireless both. A router is also a hardware device which enables communication between two or more different logical networks. And finally, firewall is also a device which control unauthorized traffic. So these things we have discussed in networking devices. The basic network diagram in the real time, how the devices are connected and how to connect it to switch to PC, switch to switch, switch to access point, and switch to router, and router to firewall. The network diagram has shown it clearly. And logical address, we discuss a lot of logics in IPv4 and IPv6, both is being covered in private IP address and public IP address. So the good logics we discuss in IPv4. So these are all the points we have been covered, right? So do you have any doubts regarding these all the topics in the previous what we have discussed till now? Anyone, do you have any doubts? Is it clear for everyone? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So next point is now, let me continue with protocols. So protocol is also important point to form a network. So the main concept is what we're discussing now. Basic requirements to form a network. So what are the components we require to form a network is an IC, is interface, media for transmission of data, networking devices to centralize the connectivities, and logical address to identify